Good day. So today we're going to talk about IELTS speaking, and the first point that I'm going to discuss is lexical resources. Hello everyone. The IELTS takers in different places of the world are really ransacking for one point, that what is lexical resource and how they can develop lexical resource for getting better scores in IELTS. As you all know, IELTS is all about 9 in speaking. We'll have to really try to enhance the band by creating some good impression on the mind and on the mind with the marks of ours in different ways. And this is the way. In IELTS speaking, lexical resource is all about some of the points. First, we'll be having different words. What does it mean different words? Different words means not only using the words for the communication, but also using the words for better understanding of things. For example, the question is, how do you think about sports? Do you think sports is increasing the tension between the nations, or it is releasing the tension between the nations? That is the question I have to speak in this way. Sports is actually helping nations by creating a good competition between them. And I'm using the synonym of the competition, that's fight here. It enthuses a good amount of fight. I'm not using competition again. Look at this, I'm using a synonym. It enthuses a fight between two of the competitors. I'm not using competition, but I'm using competitors, no problem. So this is called synonym. I'm using synonym. So if the learners and the IELTS test takers continue learning synonyms per day, 5 words, 10 synonyms per day, it will be a really wonderful thing. So please, all the test takers, don't forget to learn new words every day. What about antony? Antony is a word that is exactly opposite to the synonym. For example, I'm saying that nobody can deny. Everybody can accept. So look at this. If I say sports is really important, I'm using unimportant here. I'm saying none can say that sports is unimportant because sports does not only create physical, enhance the physical stamina, but also it adds up the vitality to the mental health of it. So I'm using unimportant instead of important. That is the way I'm using antonyms in IELTS speaking. Now let's go to that. Active and passive. Active and passive, they are very important. One sentence active, one sentence passive. And this is the way how we can really create a kind of variety of our speaking. I'm saying that development of scientific inventions and scientific development of life, if I say. For example, if I say in the active sentence, I'm saying that development of life is creating a good impression on the mankind. If I say, that's great. But if I use passive voice and I'm saying it in the way that people are helped by the development of scientific inventions, that's also great. So these are the two of the ways. I popularly use this that police caught the thief one way. The thief is caught, if I say. The thief is caught, if I say. This is enough, isn't it? In the passive voice. It creates a good impression that I'm using passive voice. Now let's go from simple, complex coming on. I have to use one subject, one verb, and that is simple. And I can also use complex. In the complex, I'm using, in the middle, I'm using maybe as, maybe since, maybe I'm using however, or whether, or I'm using if. Okay, for example, in the simple sentence, I'm using verb plus ing. Working hard can create a lot of development in your life, one way. And I'm changing it. I'm using it in a different way, that if you work hard, you will be successful in life. You'll be able to develop your life. Second one, Compound is also in the same way. Or and, but can be used. Adding and subtracting. How you can add sentences and how you can subtract sentences. You can add sentences. You can add sentences by using and as well as together with, along with, accompanied by, and also many more. And also you can subtract by using in the same way. In the complex you use however. This subtracts the idea. That, for example, I'm saying that if I say all the students came to the class but not true, for example. All the students came to the class in time but not true. If I say it means Nujrul did not come to the class. And so it subtracts. So this is an example only. I don't have any Nujrul in my class, so no problem. Now let's go for next. Different structures. Hello ladies and gentlemen and the IELTS test takers. You must understand that speaking the same way of sentences again and again, repeating the same structure is not everything. It's not proper and fitting. Better we change the structure in different ways. We can start with in the beginning, in the start, in the beginning. Later we can say, we can add some more. For example, we can say afterwards, moreover, furthermore. This can be for adding. And also, we can go for different structures such as albeit, nevertheless. We can use different structures in different ways, such as vice versa. Vice versa means opposite way is correct. For example, if you say, all students should love their teachers, and vice versa. Meaning is, teachers should also love the students. I'm using this because this creates different structures. Next is derivatives. Hello students. Derivatives are the different parts of the speech of the same word. For example, if I say ideal, I'm using the word ideal. If I say ideally, that's another word which is actually derived from ideal. So look at this. Subject from noun I'm creating verb. From a verb I'm creating adverb. From a noun I'm creating adjective. For example, if I say heart, this is a noun. If I say hearty, that is adjective. Hearten, this is a verb. Now let's go for use of the prefix, suffix, and infix. Means using out, for example, out word, for example. Inbound, for example, I'm using prefix here, and suffix can be lead can be a suffix. Beautifully, successfully. Infix is the word is in the middle of the word. For example, they in and out. They in and out. In and out. So here I'm putting it in the middle. Next is group verbs. I can use many different group verbs like work out, divide into, or you can say come in, for example, or you can say abstain from, or you can say interest for. These all are called group verbs. And next is idioms. You know, idioms are very important. These days, idioms are used in different expressions in your speaking arts. So I'm just going to express my good love for you guys. Thank you.